What's up, everyone? So today we got the front lip that I got from Infinite Autowerks. This is the OEM M3 lip, but aftermarket. I got it in gloss black so that I can install into the car. I got it mainly because it's got the actual holes that already follow the pattern of the actual front bumper, so that way you don't necessarily have to drill all the extra holes. However, the screws kind of fit right through these, so I ended up getting these washers over here that are slightly bigger than the actual hole, as you guys can kind of see right there, and that will allow me to kind of pin it down without having the need to do anything else. I also got a black spray paint just in case if I want to paint these little guys so that they're black and they kind of match. That way you don't necessarily see them. But I'm gonna install it first, see what it looks like, and if it bothers me that much, then I'll paint them. And if it doesn't bother me that much, then I'll just leave them as is. But this is the lip. Let's go ahead and put it on, see what it looks like. It's just gonna be removing 6, 7 screws and then putting them back on with washers and this guy installed. So let's do it. All right, so the screws that I'm gonna need to remove are gonna be this one, that one, this push pin right here, which I'll probably need a little screwdriver, and then a couple more on the other side, and then these 3 that are right here. I also need to clean everything up, and I did get some double-sided tape so I can add on as well. But this is gonna be a 10 mil, and then we just remove them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back once I'm done. Got myself some 70% alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe down all of that. Got myself some 3M tape, and I have all of this already kind of cleaned up so that I can just add the 3M tape and then screw it back together. So let's do that. All right, so originally I had put in tape like in these areas right here, but I saw that the tape wasn't sticking because this is what actually like touches. So I put tape here, here, and here, and that should help do the trick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera back where I had it so you guys can see the installation process. What one side looks like, so it looks on the other side. Let's go ahead and install the next one so we can get a full view. I'm not going to record the next one, I'm just going to show you guys the before and after. Alright, so this is the final look. Looks kind of dope. I like it. Gives it a nice little flare. It's got like little air pockets right in the middle. I'm hoping the air pockets won't actually make it fall down or something, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got a little air pocket right there on the side. It's been raining a lot, so I'm not gonna wash the car yet, but that's what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. If it was worth it. It's about 200 bucks or something. But, yep. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.